Hello everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log in TikTok from Instagram. Before moving on, if you haven't subscribed to our channel Webtech Tutorials, do hit the subscribe button for helpful web tutorials and solutions to your web problems. And you can also hit the bell icon if you do not want to miss out on our regular contents. So let's move on. In today's videos, you will see how to log in TikTok from Instagram. So to do that, you need to watch this video till the end and then you will learn how to do it. Open the TikTok application, then you can see the TikTok app has opened, and now go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Me button. That will take you to the profile, and now you need to sign up for TikTok. So tap on the sign up button, then it will ask you how you want to sign up. Now when you want to log into TikTok from Instagram, you need to log in. For that, you need to go at the bottom. You can see already have an account, log in. So tap on the login button, then it will show you options to log into TikTok. There are many options how you want to continue TikTok with Facebook, Google, Twitter or Instagram. Since we are going to do this login with Instagram, so tap on continue with Instagram. Now here you will be taken to the Instagram login page. You need to open your Instagram account by entering your username and password. So log into your Instagram account. After you have entered your password and username, tap on the login button. After you are logged in to your Instagram, you can see there is a request for authorization to your Instagram with your TikTok. So now Instagram and TikTok will ask you to access your basic information and profile information from your Instagram. So you can tap on authorize button if it is your account. After authorizing, you will be asked to enter your date of birth. So enter your date of birth. After that, you can tap on the next button to continue. Then you can see your profile will be created like this on TikTok. I hope you have learned how to log into TikTok from Instagram. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions and queries, then mention them in the comment section below.